long time since I have posted a video. So today I am going to unbox and do the first impression of mine for this yuxin Cloud 5x5M. It's actually not a magnetic cube by itself, I mean from the company. It's actually done by Cube Lelo. So if you guys don't know, I always buy cubes from Cube Lelo, which is of good quality and they do shipping very fast. So here is the logo of their magnetic cubes. It's called the Elite M, and this M is represented by two horseshoe magnets, as you can see. So this is the box of the 5x5. I got it for about 1200 rupees on Cube Lelo. So let's just go inside the cube. Right now when I'm taking it out of the box, it feels a lot lubey. I mean, the lube just sticks to the hands, and let's just keep it aside for a month. And next what we have got here, I think it's the pamphlet. Okay, yeah, it's the pamphlet. So it basically gives you the whole tutorial to how to solve the 5x5 cube. This is the Chinese one, and it does not have any English tutorial, but you have many on YouTube. So just use them. So now let's get into the cube. So the cube is actually good to see, but the colors are not that good, I would say. It could have been better, but you cannot expect more than this from a budget 5x5. That's okay. So now let's see the first price. Wow, I'd say this is very smooth. It has a good buttery feeling and it's quite fast. It has some lockups in the middle, but that's not an issue. You could set it up a little bit. It's good. Let's try some other algorithm on this. So the corner cut, not the best I would say, but it's a little good. Reverse corner cut. Reverse corner cut is one of the best I've seen in 5x5. The plastic quality does not seem very good to me, and I've got something like a black thing over here in the yellow part. I have took the center cap out and I have checked. It's good, but there's something over there and even over here, as you could see it. So that is one thing which I saw when I got the cube for the first time, and I would say this is a pretty good cube if you want a cube within your budget. There's also a non-magnetic version of this which costs 500 rupees, and that's it, guys. If you have any questions about this cube, please let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video. Yeah.